This floor is just the entrance. This place has several floors, what I'm told, and it has different aesthetics. Each floor, not aesthetics, but that too. But different products. Each product aesthetics is decoration, but it's not really that. It's themed stores, but I guess sure.
And this ain't decoration. I don't know what it is.
Oh god. So second floor. Here we go. Clearly, this is all figurines. Nothing but figurines, baby. Hobby stations. Next floor looks like it's books. I assume that means manga
And men.
Manga, what? And men?
Men make it.
A manga. Mango.
Why? No, don't do it. No, not like this.
Interesting.
No, not like this.
Very interesting.
No.
We're in the adult only section.
No. Oh, no.
Okay. We're gonna got a little graphics actually. I had to switch the camera to my face because it got a little too real for me. Little too real. Yeah. Let's see a single book.
I don't even know what that is.
I don't know. Next floor. Okay, well, don't know what this means.
Miami? せっかく来たい。
I think this is the figurines. Oh yeah, this is the figurine section. Or the display. Kingdom Hearts. Don't judge me. I know you're judging me, but I'm okay with that. The 5th floor, a bunch of whatever that says. Dollaria. Look at that Sora. That is a beaut. I am not buying it, but that is a beaut. You don't know that. You just walked in. Keep it going. Keep it going. Love that hair color.
It's a good hair color. Best in best. Oh my god. Unless nothing.
6. Oh yes. The retro parts. See, retro for you. Gundams and white base. Nassalize. So this is probably the hobby section. You see the hi Theo, nice meeting you here. So this is probably where you customize your stuff with some shirts. Yes. We're going to Dolk, whatever that means. Looks like it's more figurines with different kind of, maybe not. There's nothing on this side, just by, you know. It's only tax-free if you have your passport, which we didn't bring our passport, so I'd rather not lose my passport than get charged tax. You looking for an old school game?
What happened?
You looking for an old school game?
Disagree. I'm actually seeking one game in particular. If it's here.
The man is looking for a yokai watch that was not localized anymore in the States. Here is the thing. Japanese. It's all Japanese. I mean, some of it is in English, but when it's facing you, we honestly cannot go through every single one of these to figure out if we find it. He can try though, and I'm gonna let him try because this is both the. But Zapadoos, colors, Zapadoos. It's all Zapadoos. He's doing some kind of language guide that he got from this little thing here. Oops.
And I'm gonna see what
Right
this
there.
even means.
So,
It's like Japanese, so I don't know.
Floor 8. Oh my. Oh my. What's going on over here? Super elegant. I just hid this on floor 8. Look at this. And you can dress them up whatever you like. No recording. Floor 9, Big Magic. So we already know. So it's gonna be card games. Magic the Gathering probably. Yep. We have One Piece. What'd you see?
I felt like heat on me, that's all.
Buy cards here. So it's just a card level.
Keep going.
Alright. Off to the final level. Looks like this is where you could play cards before they close. Maybe tournaments and stuff. It's nice. Alright. Number 10. There he is. There he is. To the 10th floor. Which, oh, I do feel heat. Ah. You feel that? I don't think there's anything up here. 10th floor, more characters. Kana. It's vending machines. It's the vending machine floor.
What's so hot in here?
Who knows? It's like being in the back rooms. Yeah.
That's my barbecue.
Tomo products.
I feel barbecue.
That. There's nothing else. That's it. That's vending machines. All right. Of our trek. Thank you for watching.